Hello everyone, this is Case and today we're unboxing the DBPower EX7000 PRO. This is an action camera that is supposed to be similar to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Before that, let's see what specs are listed on this box. So it's supposed to be 4K, has 2.45-inch display, has Wi-Fi, a bunch of other stuff. User manuals. What's inside this box? I think these are all the accessories that comes with it. Yep, here they are. Let's see what's inside it. Yep, charging cables, a bunch of stuff for mounting. That's the charger. That's another case. Adhesives. Different stuff. Battery. I think that's the second battery. The first battery is in the camera itself. Okay, let's take a look at the camera. So it comes with the waterproofing case, as you can see here. It seems very nice, like solid case. Here we go. So that's the case, as you can see. Put aside. Take a look at the camera. That's the lens, obviously. That's for the mounting. That's where the battery is right now. Let's turn it on. Okay. Peel off the sticker. So it's set at normal video 4K, 20 frames per second. It has a bunch of stuff, as you can see. Let's see the settings. The resolution, you can choose 2K, 1080p, 60 frames per second, or 30 frames, or down to like 720, 120 frames per second. And there are like some VGA stuff, nobody gonna use that. You can choose the field of view. I don't know what WDR stands for. Stabilization, we want it on. You can use that as a motion detection, like as a security camera, so it's supposed to capture videos if it detects motion. ISO, exposure, different things. Let's compare it to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Size wise, the GoPro is a little bit bigger, but it feels better than this camera. This one feels a little bit plasticky. The GoPro feels a little bit more solid. So side by side, they kind of look similar, but the GoPro definitely feels better, and I think weight-wise, they feel about the same. So that was pretty much it. These are all the accessories and everything that comes in the box. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Until next time.